Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use John Wayne's Rugged Men Collection voices. So all you have to do is go to this website 11labs.io and choose sign in and click on the my voices on the voices section here in the sidebar menu. Once you click on it, navigate to this collection section here and click on it. Then you would have this web page pop up. Click on this John Wayne Rugged Men collection and it should bring you to a page similar to this. Now all you have to do is now to choose the voice that is most suitable for your project. You can sample them by clicking on the play button beside the names.
Down in Dixieland lived a young buck.
So you
Well, howdy there, partner. Don't mind the tumbleweeds.
So once you've seen a voice that is a perfect voiceover for your project, you can click on the add to my voices section, and from this my voices section you can edit properly and add the text you have to your voice. So this is how to use the John Wayne Rugged Men collection voices on 11 Labs. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you very much and do have a great day.